is Andita Nuriski Rahmani.
Hi everyone, my name is Karahma from English to UNVT 21, and in today's group discussion we're gonna talk about fine arts.
Hello, my name is Nabil Saputra.
Hi, I'm Baris Salahuddin. I'm from Group 15 and we're talking about fine arts.
In my opinion, The Starry Night is still a masterpiece because it feels very emotional. Even though it was painting a long time ago, people today can still feel connected to it. It's more than just a picture. It's a timeless speech to art.
I agree with Andita. It doesn't feel old painting, right? It's feel modern because the emotional are so relatable.
That's true, and the very first thing that I saw is definitely the swirling sky. The sky is definitely alive, it's movement, so much energy, the intensity and everything is totally breathtaking.
I totally Gary. I agree. It feels like Von Gogh painted the energy and the feeling of the night, not just what he saw with his eyes.
But for me, the most interesting part is the contrast. The contrast between the sky and the village. The sky is very bright and dynamic. But if you look at the village down below, it feels dark, quiet, and very calm. This contrast what makes the sky stand out even more.
I noticed that too, Barry. The brightness of the sky is literally give us a calming atmosphere, and the village beneath it is give us the beautiful enchanting the sky is, and it's like giving us the wonder of nature at night.
I like that point. To me, the village feels very quiet, almost like it's sleeping, while the sky looks very active and powerful. It's like saying two different words in one painting.
Because of that contrast, the atmosphere feels very emotional to me. It actually a bit breathless. It's beautiful, yes, but at the same time, I can feel a bit overwhelming. Do you think?
I think Van Gogh expressed his emotion through the strong colors and moving brushstroke. The sky feels like a reflection of his inner truth. It's very intense and so huge how he felt at the time.
I agree. It's not a peaceful night, it's emotional night. The dark cypress tree reaching up like a flame also adds to that the feeling of tension.
And if we look at the painting, it's definitely breathtaking and also amazing because it's literally the density and the thick of the paint of the impasto technique is totally breathtaking. In the environment of everything, the technique used, they always have the emotion in every stroke. Is literally incredible and absolutely breathtaking. I couldn't say any more than that.
Yes, I also noticed that swirling pattern in the sky again. They look like waves in the cosmic energy. It suggests that the universe never truly still. It's moving, breathing, and full of vibration.
The like paint itself an emotion, then we can almost touch. But here is the most interesting part of me, the simple perspective. The Starry Night is not only based on imagination. The star, the star and Sky Panther are actually very similar to real astronomical observation from. For example, the large white star near the tree is actually the planet Venus.
Wait, really? He was actually looking at the real star when painting his emotion? You couldn't be kidding me.
Yes, and second found that the swirl represent turbulent flow in Pascal, so it's a perfect combination of imagination and reality. This artwork connects art, emotion, and scene all in one.
To conclude, this painting is special because it combines beauty, emotion, and science. It shows that art is much more than just beauty. It's about sharing our human experience with others. That's why we still love it today.
Well said, Anita. I think we all agree that this painting is much deeper than it looks.
Thank you for listening to our discussion. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you for listening of our discussion. Goodbye.